Hello guys, welcome to today's class. Today we'll be discussing affinity, and then affinity, these are color codes. You also have color codes like every other application in design. Like for instance, you can see here we have color code. This is 000, this for black, and then our 808080 for ash. This is a color code for green, purple, red. This is a lighter blue. It's not the deep blue. Brown. These are basic colors, and let's see how we can achieve this. For instance, okay. So right now we want to, let's take this off a bit. So right now let's select. We are under vectors. Let's come here and select a rectangle. Let's draw. It's on default red already. Let's come to color here. Then for the noise, let's read it. If you zoom in here, it shows that it's noisy. So click on it. You remove the noise. That is okay. Sorry. Here now, let's remove the noise. Then, as you can see, there's no noise on it again. So right now, let's go back to opacity. This is ideal opacity. This 100%. You can reduce the opacity like this. So let's leave it on this. So right now, let's change it to, let's say, blue. So for instance, a company give you a color and you want to be using that particular shade of color, but let's say a lighter green, or they give some, most of your job they send you with color code. So you just come here quietly, you come under that hashtag, you say, you come and impute these color codes from here. This particular color code, let's impute and see 00800. Press enter. You see it has automatically changed to green. So working with color code is very, very important. Then for instance, let's try to get this color by inserting the color code here. You come here, you press 1, and that's 6, 5, 6 again, A, and then D, and then press enter on the keyboard. You have that exact shade. Then you can do this for any color at all of your choice, just if you are trying to get that exact color. Then notwithstanding, from here you can make your adjustment. You want to see a particular shade, you see, you can move around in the circular pattern. These are the major, it's a major color, but from the inside section, you want to get a particular shade of that color. So you move around to scale to your taste like this. Let's do one more. You select this color. Let's change to this purple one. See, so the color code is 3C2083. Let's press enter, and then that's the color code. But let's adjust. Let's find a particular shade, a lighter one, for instance, as you can see. So thank you. If you love our tutorial, endeavor to support us and subscribe for more. Thank you.